have entered the prep zone tonight. 4A football at Spartan Stadium. The Franklinton Demons, a 4A district matchup, here to take on the Salmon Spartans. It's always a war when they play. What do you got from the Franklinton Demons,
yeah,
Andrew?
You can feel the hype already, Tiger, between Franklinton and Salmon. But the Demons, they come in here at 5-1. Ron Robinson, the quarterback, 5'8", 170 pounds, really accounting for a lot of the yardage offensively. The Demons averaging 330 yards a game, while Ron Robinson's averaging about 220 of those yards. So he's really the carrier offensively. And how is he going to go against the Salmon Spartan defense, which is so tough?
Tough defense. What about the Salmon Spartans now?
Yeah, with the Spartans, it's been sort of a struggling season, 1-5, but you know what, the Spartans, Ivan Price not playing as far as the quarterback position, Pissarro coming in, and he's going to get more reps at the position. How will he adjust playing against Franklinton? Because they just didn't have a pass game when we saw them against North Shore. Really struggled to move the football because we know about Chris Thomas, but Pissarro, the quarterback game, what do we have?
Question mark. Good last week. Can he continue? They're going to take off the gloves. It's bare knuckle war tonight. Franklinton at Salmon. Pre-game with Coach Jerry Leonard. Coach, last week, quarterback change brought in Jamie Pissarro. Tell us about how he did and what you're looking for from him tonight.
Well, I think he managed the game real well for us, and he just brought a little bit of a calmness to our offense, and we were able to execute a little bit better, especially you know, from the standpoint of the second half of that football game. That, you know, we had to do some things early on to stay in that game, but he did some things in the second half that were real good that gave us a chance to win the football game, and we did. So, you know, I'm looking for him tonight to do the same thing, to kind of manage the offense, to kind of calm things down for it. But, you know, you still may see, you know, Ivan's going to come in, and Ivan's going to be on the field somewhere. So whether it's a quarterback, DB, or receiver, he'll be in the game.
Offensively, they got a real good quarterback. Obviously got to be a little concerned because his ankle is getting better every week, having injured it early in the year. You got something to stop him, throw in, run in, because you got a dual threat there.
Well, that's the game plan. Yeah. But, you know, how we execute it is, you know, kind of remains to be seen. They're a great football team. I think that, you know, they're playing great defense right now, and you know, I think we're playing pretty good defense too, but their offense seems to be getting better every week. And, again, you know, that's where our work is going to be cut out for us, is to be able to slow them down. They got a lot of weapons. The offensive line's real big, so they've got a pretty good inside run game, but they seem to have their most explosive plays on the perimeter. And so, you know, that's where we got to kind of focus right now, is to not let them get on the perimeter and get in space and make those big explosive plays with those big gains.
I always think about two defenses that are real good and the ball game and whether the offense can execute, but I always go back to our old mentor, Bill Stubbs. The special teams, got to worry about those.
Well, I think that both teams are doing some good things on special teams. You know, I showed up last week and created a few explosive plays for us that got us over the hump in the football game against Lakeshore. And theirs have done some big things too along the way. So I think a special teams play here or there is going to be huge in this football game as far as the momentum shift is concerned. And hopefully we're going to be the ones to make that play.
Pre-game with Coach Shane Smith, Franklinton head coach. Coach, 5-1 versus 1-5. That means nothing.
No, it certainly doesn't. You know, when you play a game like this, what's happened prior to the night means nothing. What's most important tonight is how you execute your game plan, not turning the ball over, playing good special teams.
To get 5-1, you've had good, real good play out of your quarterback. Give us a little rundown on Mr. Robinson.
He's played extremely well. He had an ankle injury early in the year, and he's continued to improve. His ankle's healthy, and he's a running threat as well as a passing threat. So anytime you got that dual threat guy at quarterback, it makes your offense go. And he's been able to do that for us, so we're excited about, you know, the potential that he has and what he's done so far.
Offensively, Salmon has struggled all year. Last week they got a victory and brought out a new quarterback who kind of guided them to that. So you might have had to change. What are you going to need to do to stop their offense?
Well, you know, our defensive coaches have done a great job all year preparing our guys. We've played solid defensive lines, been great. The linebackers, just overall, our defense has played well. So I think we've got to continue to do the things that we've done. And, you know, we have a tremendous amount of respect for them and what they've accomplished and how good their coaching staff is. They always have athletes, and they're always prepared. So we've tried not to worry about what has happened to them. We've tried to prepare for what's going to occur tonight, and I think our coaches have done a good job getting our kids ready.
Kicking off for the Salmon Spartans to get this game underway is Trayvon Watts, as Franklinton will receive. Nice kick by Watts. Fielded at the 8-yard line and taking it right down the pipe and still on his feet. Past midfield and into Salmon territory was Daryl Fortenberry.
Wow, right away, explosion out of the special teams. One of the things I mentioned to Coach Leonard before the game, both good defenses. You have to say that Franklinton has the edge offensively. But special teams, I think, is the thing that's important tonight. Maybe. Right now it's important.
We'll get our first look at Ron Robinson, 5'8", 170-pound senior. And he hands it off this time off the right side. That was number 7, Renaz Wilson, 5'10", 205-pound sophomore. Stopped by Trayvon Watts.
Nice pickup right there, running the ball up the middle.
You can see the ambiance surrounding this game is great. Both teams were hyped before the game. The field looked beautiful. You noted pregame, I think one of the best pictures we have tonight of our high school football season.
Yeah, right here. Can the game live up to the hype?
We'll see.
Always the question.
Shotgun with Robinson. Play action, flips it out to the side. Oh, all sorts of room for Fortenberry. Finally taken down. No, he's still on his feet. Past the 30-yard line. The vaunted Salmon Spartans defense in the early going, suffering some yardage.
Giving up yardage right there. Ran a little flare with the receiver. The other two guys blocked. A little screen out there, threw it out to him, and there was nobody out in that flat covering him. So big pickup as Franklinton obviously saw some things on the tape that they're going to try to take advantage of.
Robinson hands it off. Oh, plenty of yardage right there for Wilson. Gets 8 inside the 20-yard line. So Franklinton on this first possession inside the red zone.
They're just right. The offensive line just pushed. The defensive line for the Spartans off the ball right there. Excellent job.
Yeah, Matthew Butler at the nose tackle position for the Spartans. Important for him to stay strong. 2nd down and 2 from the 19-yard line. They give it to Wilson off the left side. Nice tackle.
Wilson with the carry.
Taken down by number 23 for the Salmon Spartans.
23,
Corbin Johnson.
Initial hit by Philip Samir to kind of slow him up. Johnson in there to tackle. They only gave up 1, 3rd and 1. Big play early. First drive, 3rd and 1.
Robinson
3rd down, 1 Demons.
out of the huddle. Wilson behind Robinson in the pistol. And they give it to Wilson. A quick tackle,
Wilson, the ball carrier.
but he still gets the first down. Giovanni LaFrance in there on the tackle for the Spartans.
Nothing fancy about that. Straight ahead football.
Stop by number 9, Giovanni
Behind that
LaFrance.
big offensive line, you can't hardly
First down,
blame him.
Demons.
Adrian McGee, 6'4", 295. At right tackle. Excuse me. Oh, now they've shifted. They're unbalanced to the left.
Robinson out of the toss. Wilson, great pursuit from Joey McLeod Jr.
Stop in the back.
Yeah, you heard me. They slipped. I was about to talk about, I was talking about Adrian McGee, who's the right tackle. He slipped over there next to the left tackle, and they unbalanced that way, tossed that way, but good reaction by the Spartan defense to get over there and shut that one down.
Loss of 2 on the play, 2nd down and 12. One wide out here to the bottom of your screen that you can't see. That's Donovan Alonso. He's rolling out that way. Here's Robinson over the middle. Almost a one-hand reception made by number 46, Jenkins.
Rice Jenkins had the ball in his hands momentarily. Incomplete. Kind of ran up. Play action one way, came back the other way, ran a man in the flat. Unable to complete it. 3rd down and 11.
Robinson looking to the sideline. Robinson 52 of 81 on the year passing. About 63% passing completion. Robinson, nice pass right there. It's going to be held up short of the first down, though. That was Fortenberry.
Ball came out at the end, but it was out of bounds. That pass was not enough for the first down, but maybe Coach Shane Smith thinking to himself, I'm playing for 4 downs here. Give me a few yards, and then give me a few more yards. And it seemed on that alignment that they had the Spartans confused.
Big 4th down play here on the first possession of this ball game. Robinson and Wilson in the backfield. Would have been a 30-yard field goal, but they're electing to go for it. They look to the sideline. Coach Smith making the adjustment. 5 seconds left on the play clock. Man in motion. And they're going to run a play. Robinson rolling out to his right, goes to the sideline, and it's going to be caught. Caught at the 7-yard line by Azendi McGee, the 5'6", 160-pound sophomore, but he might be short. We're going to get a measurement here.
So the first big measurement, the first big play of the game right there, did he get enough to get the first down?
Making the chain gang work, come all the way across the field.
Ooh.
He's not even going to be close.
No, he didn't.
Oh, what a stop for the Salmon Spartan defense.
And the white hat, Mr. Sidney Perez, says he was that short. Demons stopped. Spartans come up with the ball. So opening drive, Demons move all the way down there, seem to be moving along. 4th down, very close.
Now the key is McGee has to run to the sticks. He came back to the football, came up a yard short. Turnover on downs. Great stop for the Spartans defense after giving up the huge kick return. Jamie Passero at the quarterback position for the Spartans, replacing Ivan Price. Handoff to Thomas. And Chris Thomas on the stiff arm and stays on his feet. First down for the Spartans, and that's who you want with the football in his hands.
And you want him running like that. We didn't see that. We saw him earlier in the year against North Shore. Offense, that's better than probably any play they ran against North Shore. So obviously some things ticking. Having Passero in the game now is obviously helping him. A calming influence, Coach Leonard said.
1st and 10 from the 20-yard line. They go back to Thomas. This time it's eaten up off the right side of that defensive line. In on the tackle.
Thomas, the ball carrier.
Shunty Connerly. Yeah, he was the guy I was going to talk about. 6'2", 250, a senior. He's much the man. He's the guy to watch for on that front line.
Jonathan Crane also in on the tackle. 5'10", 240-pound junior.
2nd down, 10 Spartans.
2nd down and 10. Twins right. Thomas to Passaro's left. They give it off to Thomas. One cut, take it down.
Thomas, the ball carrier.
And there's Crane on the tackle, the junior. So they've gone to Thomas 3 plays in a row, and from the 21-yard line, we'll have to see Passaro's arm at this point.
Play action pass, I got to assume, coming up.
Trips to the top of the screen.
Passero looking over the middle of the field. Oh, it's going to be too high. Double post on the far side, intended for number 19, Robert Hayes.
Hayes was open. Passero was a little high on the throw. Brings up 4th down.
We got to think that's one of those throws that you're just not finishing, not following through on. It could be a little bit of nerves here in Passero's second game. They're going to have to punt the football.
Josh McGee deep.
McGee deep. McLeod Jr. punting. Nice punt. McGee from his own 45-yard line. Makes a cut and moves out to the 41. So tremendous field position yet again for the Franklinton Demons.
Started their first drive on the Spartan 49-yard line. This time the 41-yard line. So the field position game being won by the Demons. Short field.
I'll say he'll start at the 40-yard line flat, so give him another yard. First down and 10. Trips right. Robinson. Quick little flare pass. Fortenberry still on his feet down the sideline. Out past the 30-yard line. Down to the 28. First down.
They're sending. That's the same play they completed for the first pass of the game. Basically, the Spartans have 2 guys covering 3, hoping the 2 guys block them, which they did. And the receiver, the inside receiver, runs a little flare, gets the ball, makes a move off those blocks. Until the Spartans put somebody out there to negate that, they'll keep going back to it.
First down and 10. This time they give it to Wilson. Tackle made on the inside by number 23, Johnson. Corbin Johnson in on the tackle for the Salmon Spartans.
Pick up of about 6 on that play, Andrew. Straight ahead running.
5 in the play, 2nd down, 5 Demons.
15 seconds left on the play clock. Fortenberry all alone on the far side. Top of your screen. They go to Wilson. No, Robinson keeps it. First down from Ron Robinson. The Demons are chugging along.
His first carry of the ball game. Coach Smith, I'm sure, is pretty confident in what he's seen so far, albeit the 4th down play when they came up just a little short, but they're moving the football against the Spartan defense, who I'm sure they're looking at what they need to do to stop the Demons.
Yeah, Robinson averaging a little over 5 yards a carry on the season, rushing the football. Let's see how he does passing. Quick throw for McGee, Azende McGee.
Basically the same play. That's the 3rd time they've run a variation of that play, and they're going to continue to do that. Run it till they stop it. They got to have enough people out there, and they're getting 5 like that on a chunk, so why bother to run it? Just toss it out there, pick up 5 or more.
5 in the play.
2nd down and 5 from the 10-yard line. Under 4 minutes to play here in the first quarter. Robinson rolling out to his right. He likes to roll out right. Nice throw and catch. Touchdown, Darryl Fortenberry on the reception, and that puts the Franklinton Demons up.
Roll out Robinson. Fortenberry runs it out, and Robinson puts it right there where he can catch it. He does. Touchdown. Nothing fancy about what they've done here. Mixing the run and the throw.
Alvaro Ocampo for the extra point. And they get him off sides.
Flag on the play.
Offsides on the Spartans.
On the Spartans.
Still going to kick the extra point. From slightly closer. Snap, placement, kick up. And Ocampo's extra point is good. The Franklinton High Demons up 7-0 over the hometown Salmon Spartans. 3:35 left to go in the first quarter. Ocampo, they kick it off for the Demons. A short run up. High floater near the sideline. Taken by the Spartans at their own 20, get out past the 25.
Jatari Hudson with the return, but Demons all over that, not wanting to kick it too deep and let them get the Spartans get a big return.
First down and 10 from the 29-yard line. This time they're going to send Ivan Price out at the quarterback position.
Coach Leonard mentioned that we'd see him at a variety of positions, quarterback, receiver. He's an athlete. Got to get him the football.
At the pistol formation this time. Toss to the short side of the field. Thomas gets a couple yards.
Chris Thomas with the carry.
Stop made by number 2.
Stop by number 2, Relic Wilson.
Relic Wilson.
Pick up a 3, second down and 7 for the Spartans.
Out of 4 plays, we've seen Chris Thomas hit the football on 3 of them. Check that. He's got it on 4
out of 5.
4 out of 5.
Yeah.
I'm thinking about it in my head. They got the first down on the first run of the ball game. Price. Looking to his right. Quick throwback. Oh, nice block down by the Salmon Spartans. First down, catch made by Joe Pack.
Robert Hayes with a nice block right there on the sideline to spring Pack and a first down.
First down and 10 at the 42-yard line. Nice misdirection right there.
First and 10 Spartans, ball on the 42-yard line.
Price. Thomas taken down in the backfield.
Thomas, the ball carrier.
58, Crane, again on the stop. Jonathan Crane doing some heavy lifting here in the first quarter.
Number 58, Jonathan Crane.
Good front 3 of Crane, Connerly, and Talley and Crane. So Kobe Crane, Jonathan Crane, Shunty Connolly, and Dalton Talley. Look for them up front.
Second down and 10. Price. Oh, hit in the backfield is Thomas. Nice cut to get back to the line of scrimmage and maybe pick up a yard.
That initial hit was Shunty Connolly. Just shot in there and disrupted the play. Should have been a loss of about 5, but Chris Thomas makes it a pickup of 1. 3rd and 9.
Gain of 1 on the play.
Yeah, a lot of penetration early from the Franklinton defensive line.
And the Spartans cannot afford to let that happen.
Not with the back like Chris Thomas, who needs the football. 3rd down and 9. Price. Blitz. Steps up in the pocket. Takes off. Hit near midfield. He's not going to get the first down. I'll bring up 4th down. He'll get to the 49-yard line, but it'll be 3 yards short.
A slew of Demons in on that tackle. They gang tackled him. It looked like he was going to get close. He's going to bring up 4th down and 2 for the Spartans. They're going to punt it away, try to flip the field a little bit. Josh McGee going back to return.
Probably wise after the first 2 possessions for the Demons were in Salmon territory. McLeod Jr. out there to punt.
Returning for the Demons, number 6, Josh McGee.
McGee standing at his own 10-yard line. McLeod.
Fair catch.
Fair catch by McGee.
Good play by him as that ball was going to go over his head and would have, it would have been down close to 1 yard line, end zone type thing. And fair catch. They get the ball at the 12.
First and 10 Demons ball. That's 12
The general rule is, Andrew, if you're standing at the 10, if it's in front of you, catch it. If it's going to go over your head, let it go.
But first step always backwards. It's my baseball knowledge coming through.
All right.
First down to 10 from the 12. Robinson from the pistol. Hands it off to Wilson. Nice play right there by the Spartan defense.
Wilson with the carry. Stop by number 11, Trayvon Watts.
Trayvon Watts along with LaFrance and a couple other Spartans in.
39, Philip Samir.
Second down and 7 from the 15-yard line.
Gain of 2 on the play. Second down, 8 Demons.
And that's how the first quarter is going to end. Franklinton 7, Salmon 0. Let's go to the second.
St. Tammany Parish Public Schools, an A-rated school district. Graduates with the highest ACT scores in the state. Facilities with the latest technology. Safe and secure schools. A variety of sports. Fine arts. And learning to last a lifetime.
I'm Superintendent Trey Foles, and this is where we educate every child, every day.
Start of the second quarter. Franklinton looked really good offensively in the first, starting deep in their own territory on this third offensive possession.
Longer field, 88 yards to go, trying to put something together here.
Trayvon Watts again in on the stop. Robinson this time was on the carry.
Stop by number 11, Trayvon Watts.
Third down and 6.
McLeod helping out also on that. Third down, 6.
This would be a great stop for the Spartans defense and also give them some momentum with the offense. It'd be good field position.
Better field position for sure.
Third down and 6.
But they got to stop them.
It might go back to that flare pass. Fortenberry.
Draw.
Oh, nice play. Wilson on the carry. First down, past the 20-yard line, out to the 24.
Good play calling right there. Something they hadn't done, but run the ball on third down.
They faked that rollout.
Right.
Which they've gone at least, I think all 3 times that Robinson's dropped back to pass has been rollouts to his right. And that time they come back with the draw. Good play design right there by Coach Shane Smith. Robinson rolling out to the far sideline. Quick out pattern caught by Azende McGee.
Again, exactly how you're describing it. They like him rolling to his right, roll to his right. They went back to it with success.
Well, the fact that he's 5'8", he's going to have a hard time seeing over some of his linemen. So he rolls out and has the option to run.
And throw, double threat. Second down, 2.
Quick throw. That one's not caught. Looking for Alonzo on the far side. Bring up third down and 2.
Third down, 2 Demons.
Right along their sideline there. They went to the short side of the field for Robinson. Has he thrown a pass to his left?
I don't think so.
I don't recall.
Oh, he has. He's thrown it to Fortenberry.
On the
flares.
On the little flare, yeah.
Alonzo at the bottom of your screen. Trips right. They give it to Wilson. Flag on the play, though.
Yeah, they had 2 guys moving at that time. So, to me, that would be a A penalty.
Flag back at the 20-yard line.
Illegal shift, I believe they'll call that.
Number 23, Corbin Johnson.
Illegal shift.
Illegal shift.
5-yard penalty. So scrap the first down. Bring up 3rd down and 7.
5-yard penalty, replay 3rd down.
You see they spread them out and they keep getting Wilson right up the middle on the draw play.
Right. They haven't run the quarterback draw yet, because that's another, to me, that's another possibility.
3rd down and 7. McGee in motion. Robinson, this time rolling out to his left. Oh, and caught by Alonzo. So as soon as you ask for it, they do it. Robinson rolls out to his left. Nice throw across his body. Caught by Donovan Alonzo, the senior.
A little too much cushion in the secondary by the Spartans there. And they do seem confused when there's motion as to who's got who.
1st down and 10 from the 39-yard line. Twins right. Robinson, quick throw. Alonzo. Tackle made by McLeod.
Now they've taken that play where they throw it out there to the on the flare, and now instead of having 3 receivers, 2, so much cushion, outside receiver steps back, gets the ball, and what does he get? 9 yards.
Yeah, they're doing a great job of stretching the Spartans defense horizontally. So much space up the alleys because they're going to the sidelines. Really making it a tough job for the Salmon linebackers having to track sideline to sideline. Robinson, 2nd down and 1 from the 48-yard line.
Going
Quick
right
throw.
back to the same play.
Fortenberry. 1st down for Fortenberry to the 50-yard line.
They only got 2 yards on that, but they got a 1st down. But it's the same play.
Yeah, Aaron Craig and McLeod Jr. on the stop.
They've got, defensively, there's only 2 guys out there to cover 3. The safety is about 10 yards off the ball. He's not a factor on that play.
You have to wonder how long it will be once the safeties finally step up. Maybe they go for a shot over the top.
Oh, yeah, that's no doubt about that, Andrew. That's what they're looking for.
1st down and 10. Fortenberry, McGee, and Allen. Near side. Flare pass out of the backfield to Wilson. Gets a couple yards. 1 on the play.
What I like about that play is they ran the same play they've been running to the left and came back to the right. They're going to show you the same look but do something else. Just like when they ran the guys out in the flat and rolled out, they showed you that look, and then what they do? Came behind it with the draw.
2nd down and 9. Keeping the Spartans on their toes. Looking to the sideline. Robinson.
Quarterback draw.
There's the draw. Gets to the 45-yard line. Picks up 4 on the play. Third down and 5. Stop made by Johnson. Corbin Johnson.
3rd and 5.
Stop by number 11, Trayvon Watts.
Right now, Fontainebleau, I got an FHS. Franklinton 3 of 4 on 3rd downs.
3rd down, 5 Demons.
Remember, this drive started all the way back at the Franklinton 12-yard line.
Yes.
Robinson, quarterback draw. Oh, he's so quick. Takes the hit, but gets past the 35-yard line out to the 33. Stop made by Ronald Barnes.
Nothing fancy, just straight ahead. Fake the, and here's, I really like the play calling in this drive here. They're mixing it up. Something totally different here. They ran the speed, faked it to the outside guy, and Robertson took it right up the middle.
1st down and 10. 33-yard line. Robinson, oh, nice tackle in the backfield. Tari Hudson.
Stopped in the backfield by number Jatari Hudson Jr.
Again, a little different look, kind of a double fake, and quarterback kept it. Hudson with a nice play.
No gain on the play.
Second down, 10 Demons.
Robinson rolling out to his left, being chased. Tries to tuck and run, taken down in the backfield. Corbin Johnson along with Jatari Hudson. Robinson slow to get up.
And number 23, Corbin Johnson.
Looks like he's holding his left ankle. Could have got rolled over a little bit.
He had an ankle injury earlier in the season, Coach Smith said. Trying to shake it off now.
Loss of 1 on the play.
Got to think they won't roll him out. Third down.
Not to the left. 3rd and 10. They're 4 of 5 on third down plays already in this game.
Fortenberry might go back to him. He moves in motion. Robinson. And they go with the shot to McGee.
Incomplete.
Incomplete.
Wow.
Nice defense.
He got deep. He got behind the receiver. The ball was there. Coverage by Michael Tyner. But looked like that was going to be 6.
Bring up 4th down and 11.
Coach Smith.
Aggressive play.
Oh, yeah. Well, his team's moving the ball. They're keeping the defense, the Salmon defense, on the field. And I'm telling you, I see some confusion coming out of the defensive backfield for the Spartans.
4th down. Robinson rolling out to his right. Goes for the sticks. Caught on the far side. Yes, McGee. And that's going to be a 1st down. 12-yard pickup.
Picture perfect. Rolled out again. Nobody covering that man on the sideline. And they can pick up the 1st down. That is going to be something they're discussing at halftime, the Spartan defensive coaches.
The clock is working. Under 7 minutes to play here in the first half. That time McGee did not run short of the sticks.
1st and 10 Demons on the 23-yard line.
And he picked up the 1st down.
Handoff, Wilson off the right side, all sorts of room. Wilson in for the touchdown, and the Demons go a solid, what, 88 yards?
Yes.
Impressive.
Impressive. Spartan defense, no match here in the first half for the Demon offense.
They really sealed the edge nicely on that play, on Wilson's run. Ocampo.
Coach Leonard was concerned about them getting outside like they just did.
Ocampo for the extra point. It's up, and it's through with 6:27 left to go here in the second quarter. The Franklinton Demons 14, the Salmon Spartans 0. Ocampo to kick this one off. Pack and Cooper deep for the Salmon Spartans. High kick.
Fair catch.
Fair catch on the far side. At the 37-yard line, caught by number 19, Robert Hayes. First down and 10.
Pissarro back in. I'd like to see play action pass on 1st down. Fake Thomas and throw a pass.
They've gone to Thomas quite a bit in the early going. Man in motion. They give it off to Thomas. Oh, nice run right there by Chris Thomas to get the 1st down. 11 yards on the carry.
Or run Thomas for 11 yards. Maybe now. Maybe now. That was a good run. How about we come back with a little play action pass?
Well, they brought the man in motion,
Right.
froze the linebackers a little bit, and then had Thomas underneath. First down and 10. Pissarro. Thomas to his right. Another man in motion. They go with virtually the same play. And another 5 yards into Franklinton territory down to the 47-yard line.
Stop by number 24, Justin Alford.
Jonathan Crane, the injured player. Big loss for the Demon defense. Great defensive tackle. Played very well at the beginning of this game. Second down. Pissarro off to Thomas. Oh, Thomas bullying his way for the first down. Down to the 40-yard line. Chris Thomas.
Dragging a couple of demons with him that time.
Move the chains. I gotta say he got to the 41. 5:39 left to go here in the second quarter.
First and 10 Spartans, ball on the 41-yard line.
They give it to Thomas. Taken down in the backfield.
Thomas, the ball carrier.
Goler in on the stop, along with a couple other Demon players. Thomas hobbling.
And that's going to be a huge loss for the Spartans.
Let's take a timeout.
Third down, Andrew. Spartan coaches want to talk it over and see what they got here on third.
Chris Thomas still out of the ball game. Pissarro. Play action. They throw a jailbreak screen. Joe Pack getting to the first down is going to be a yard short.
Jamie Passero's pass completed to number 2, Joe Pack.
Nice play right there. Good blocking from the offensive line.
Yeah, it looked all kind of cramped up in there, but Pack was able to get it out about 8 yards. Are going to be 4th and 2, 4th and 1.5.
Gain of 9 on the play.
You're down 14-0. You got to go for it. This is not.
And now we're going to get
take another timeout.
Yeah, timeout from Franklinton. 4:16 left to go in the second. Franklinton 14, Salmon 0. Out of the timeout, 4th down. Full backfield. 3 behind Pissarro. They shift to the right, and they hand it off. Oh, it's going to be close. I don't know if he got there.
It depends on the spot. It looks close.
I think they gave him a pretty favorable spot.
Yeah, somebody came off the edge to get there. He's moving the ball. He's going to – I can't tell they're moving the ball. I wish the referee would put it – has he put it down already? Okay, thank you. He's going to measure.
Yeah, we'll get a measurement. Devin Lewis made the initial hit.
Well, the official on this side where he was running up was on the line, and where the ball was placed, different placement, so short.
From the Franklinton body language, show that one to be short.
Both teams are 0 for 1 on 4th down.
And disappointing for the Spartans after a nice drive. Gets all the way to the 31-yard line and needed to get to the 30. First down and 10. Franklinton takes over with 4:08 left to go here in the second quarter. Coach Shane Smith would love to put up another touchdown before we go to halftime here. Robinson, Fortenberry in motion. There's the snap, handoff to Wilson. Wilson gets to the first down. Wasn't even touched until 10 yards.
He ended up running into the back of his own receiver, McGee, and then finally brought down, but nice run. The Demons have the Spartans on their heels right here in the first half. And the defense has been out there for most of the first half.
Yeah, no answer defensively from the Spartans. First down and 10 from the 41-yard line. McGee in motion. They throw the quick pass out to McGee. Oh, nice blocking from Alonzo. Tackle made by George Christmas. First time we called his name here tonight.
Yeah.
Usually a pretty active player.
That time they motioned to throw that little pass out to the, that time to the motion man, and nobody came up to make that tackle. They're making a living off of that play in various shapes and sizes. Second down 1.
Handoff there to Wilson. Hitting the backfield, spins out. Nice tackle. Good pursuit from the Salmon Spartan defense. Corbin Johnson on the tackle along with Jatari Hudson.
Hudson interrupted that play and made him turn around the other way, and they finished off 3rd and 1.
Robinson comes up, hobbling. 3rd down. Feeling the effects of that ankle. From the 49-yard line. Fortenberry checks out the ball game. Pistol formation. Wilson behind.
4 of 6 on 3rd downs are the Demons.
Handoff to Wilson.
Ooh,
Great
he's
tackle.
not going to make it.
Trayvon Watts coming off the edge. Nice tackle. And they're going to bring on the punting unit.
This would be a pretty good place if Coach Shane Smith wants to gamble to run for a first down. Come up with a little play.
Well, Rhett Tynes is back there to punt. Seems like the Spartans are coming after it. 15 seconds left on the play clock. The game clock's down to 1:15 and counting.
They're letting it run down before they snap it.
Letting it bleed. And here's the punt. Oh, it's blocked. Partially blocked.
Get away from it. Black jerseys. Wow. Whoa, my goodness. Number 71. Uh-oh, we got a flag. Extracurricular activity. Number 71, I think it was. I don't have anyone listed as 71. Jumps on top of the ball. That was a huge special teams faux pas. And now we have a flag.
Well, 55 seconds left to go here in the first half.
Might be one of these that ends up being offsetting. I don't know.
Referee about to make his call.
Dead ball, personal foul. Dead ball, personal foul. So offsetting. First down.
Yeah, first down from the 35-yard line.
That could have been bad. How much time do we have left? I can't see the clock.
55 seconds.
55 seconds.
First and 10 Spartans on the 35-yard line.
Eshin Cook in at running back with Passero.
Cook in motion. Massaro. A high floater. This one could be picked off, and it is picked off at the 30-yard line.
Right.
McGee. Josh McGee.
Well, that Passero just threw the ball up there, basically. Not really looked at who was going where. He just 1-2 steps and throws the ball up.
47 seconds left in the first half. Spartans struggling to get any spark offensively.
And with Thomas on the sideline hurt, they've got to find some other weapon, some other how. Right now, they don't have that answer.
Robinson. Rolls to his right. Looking for Zindy McGee. Incomplete.
Overthrew that one. Aaron Craig on the defense over there. So Coach Smith not exactly sitting on a 14-0 lead.
You would think 41 seconds left to go.
Second down, 10 Demons.
No, he knows how important it would be to put another 7 points up there before the half.
Wilson checks out the ball game. Bring in Chandler Davis. First time calling his name tonight. Might give him the football. Second down.
Secondary's loose. Look for a run.
Oh, they do, and he fumbles. Davis, on his first carry of the ball game, fumbles.
Fumble on the play. Recovered by the
And then they bring Wilson right back in. We're going to get a timeout from Salmon. 30 seconds left to go here in the first half. 14-0, Franklinton up. Out of the timeout, a long third down, Robinson. Quick throw, out to Alonzo. Don't go out of bounds. Keeps the clock running. Timeout, 24 seconds left here in the first half. 14-0, Franklinton over Salmon. Rhett Tynes to punt it away. Gotta believe the Spartans are coming after it. The swinging gate. Nice punt by Tynes, taken by Cooper. One cut, another, and then taken down by the Demons. Doesn't get back to the 30-yard line. Be a first down there with 11 seconds left here in the first half. Nice punt right there by Rhett Tynes.
Good special teams coverage by the Demons there on the punt.
And we're going to get a knee here.
And he fumbled the ball. He fumbled it, and
Franklinton
Franklinton got the ball.
3 seconds left. 2 seconds. Wow. Yeah, he did. He fumbled it and he turned it. You know, the last time I saw that was in an NFL game. I think it was the Chargers against the Chiefs, and a fumble on a kneeled snap. Very weird. Coach Leonard is not excited.
That whole series right there of calling 2 timeouts in a row to get the ball back and then take a knee. I'm
First and 10 Demons on the 29-yard line.
Not sure about that.
The ball's at the 29. So I think Robinson has the arm to get it to the end zone. Not very far.
And they're going to call timeout now.
Get a timeout. 2 seconds left here in the first half. Franklinton up 14-0 over Salmon, pondering this last play. Last play of the first half. Robinson with Wilson. Alonzo at the bottom of your screen. Can't see him. Trips to the right. There you go. From the 29-yard line. Robinson dropping back. And now it's going to be a quarterback draw. Makes one cut and eventually taken down. That's how this half is going to end, with Franklinton up 14-0 over the Salmon Spartans. Let's go to the second half.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome your Salmon High School band. The band's under the direction of Mr. James Stevens. Our drum majors tonight are Adam Harris and Tyreek McGaffey. Our drum captains are Betty Farr and Justin Ramon. Our brass captain is Kenny Darner. Our drumline captains are Cassidy Wharton and DeAndre Walker. The Salmon Band would like to open tonight's performance with Feel This Moment by Christina Aguilera and Pitbull. now the band will perform to Taylor Swift's I Knew You Were Trouble. The Spartan Band will now be accompanied by the Salmon High School Silk Spinners flag team under the direction of Mrs. Prevost. Flag captain tonight is Gabby Dixon, along with Lieutenants Michaela Marici and Ashley Elam. Let's hear it for your Salmon Band and the Silk Spinners flag team as they play your Salmon High fight song.
Like liquid swords, harder than worldwide stadium tours. I am the future, DeLorean doors. Will it survive? Never defeat. I don't think I'm ever gonna rest in peace. I'ma work hard, that's my pieces. 40-yard dash and screeching. I'll show you how to do this, son. Make you play it all the time like a battle. I'll show you how to do this, son. Make you play it all the time like a battle. My motto.
Ocampo with the second half kickoff for the Franklinton Demons. They came in and really looked good on offense. especially their 83-yard drive.
88. Sorry.
Check that. Thank you for the correction.
Cooper with the return.
Cooper on the return, and now the Spartan offense comes out. Ivan Price this time at the quarterback position. What did you like from the Spartans offensively in the first half, though they really struggled?
I would say Chris Thomas, but Chris Thomas is
padless.
He's padless. He will not be in the game the rest of the way. And so that is going to hurt big time.
Price rolling out to his right. Pass intended for Joey McLeod Jr.
I tell you what I did notice, coming out for the second half, the Spartans didn't seem to have any giddy up. Kind of came out, kind of dejected. Their offensive leader, padless. They're not playing a good defense as they've been known to. Hey, credit Franklinton defensively and offensively.
Oh, nice cut by Pack.
But there's a little bit of a spark. Price completes a pass to Pack, and they've got a first down.
Beautiful cut. Beautiful cut by Joe Pack. They're going to come up just short.
They're just short.
They bring in the, looks like the heavy package. With 3 backs behind Price. Let's see which way they shift. They didn't get that 4th down play like this.
They sure did. Does that mean they're going to the right? Apparently it did. I don't know if he made it.
It's going to be close.
I do not think he made it.
Franklinton, the Demons, they're clapping their hands.
I got to say this, as many guys as they loaded up over there, I mean, Franklinton, I'm sure thought, but somebody submarined underneath there to make that tackle, to help hold him up.
They're going to bring out
They're going to measure again. But Franklinton's defense has been pretty good tonight.
Yeah, I agree.
That offense, matching it really.
The defensive line has been very stout. Bring up 4th down. Not really that close either.
I'm wondering why they just don't run the ball straight out of that. Instead of shifting somebody over there, run it straight out of that way to have some kind of signal to say we're going left or right.
Well, they're sending Price and the offense back in the field. I wonder if this is a bluff.
This could be the old try to draw them offside.
They're on the own 36-yard line. I mean, that would be ludicrous to give the Demons the football. Now they're going for it. A handoff.
I think he got it.
I think he got it.
Wow. Gutsy play right there. Good execution.
Yeah.
And the Spartans have a first down.
Raleek Wilson got into the backfield. Looked like the Demons were going to make a stop. First down for the Spartans. And they just need to spark offensively. Sean Cook to the right of Price. They hand it off to Cook, almost fumbles it. We got a flag on the play.
And he turns it back and gets positive yardage off a play that was going nowhere.
Jonathan Kosei in on the tackle, 5'10", 170-pound senior. Illegal motion for the Spartans.
Against the Spartans.
Still first down. First down and 5. 10:27 left to go in the third. Price, pistol formation, rolling out. Oh, he fooled everybody. Little dump off pass, and great yardage for the Spartans. Pass complete to Jahari Hudson Jr. into Demon territory.
Nice play there. Hey, you could say that one came right out of the Demon playbook. Very,
you're right.
very much what they like to do. First down across midfield down to the 49-yard line.
First and 10 Spartans, ball on the 49.
First and 10 from the 49-yard line. And you're right, that was great play by Ivan Price. Really tucked the ball down, fooled the defense. Two receivers right. They go with the slant route. Joe Pack puts his head down, out past the 30-yard line. Nice play right there.
And that looks like a little giddy up right there out of the Spartans, and having some success offensively.
That was nice. They had the out route, and they ran Joe Pack on the slant. Nice pass right there from Ivan Price. Get some confidence. First down and 10 at the 27-yard line. Shift to the right. Here's the toss. Ashawn Cook. Oh, shoestring tackle by Josh McGee.
Stop by number 6, Josh McGee.
Cook with a little showing some speed to the outside. And like you said, a shoestring tackle. Otherwise, the Spartans would have been on the scoreboard.
Yeah, Philip Samir, the fullback. They shifted to the right side. Nice block by him, showing the speed. They go back to Cook. Taken down by Kosek.
Nice light cut there by Cook. So Spartans looked like he was going to be stopped. He picked up 4.
Second down and 6. Yeah,
he used his right hand to keep him moving.
Yeah, it looked like he was hitting the backfield. Here's Price. Oh, and there's a little flip pass. This time they sniffed it out. Nice tackle right there by Pierre Wilson.
Yeah, they went back to the play that they got the first down out of, and now going to bring up, only got about a yard on that one. Third down and about 5.
Gain of 1 on the play.
So,
third down, 5 Spartans.
Cook to his left. Price with Cooper and Pack on the near side. And they go to Cooper. Cooper towards the sideline. Tries to cut it back. Josh McGee makes the tackle, but inside the 5-yard line down to the 2. And how about this? The Spartans coming out of the half.
Coming out at the half, deciding to give Ivan Price the ball, and they're knocking on the door right here.
8 minutes left to go here in the third quarter. The heavy set. Samir and McLeod Jr., they split. Handoff. And great penetration from the Demon defense. Led by Raleek Wilson.
You can hear some of the fans outside, run it outside, run it outside. They're pretty stout in the middle, I got to say, the Demons.
Yeah, I agree. They might have even lost a yard. Looks like the ball's on the 3-yard line.
Yeah, I think they did lose.
Here's Price. They all go right. Price, a throwback. So you had Josh McGee one-on-one against Joe Pack, and McGee wins that battle.
Wow.
Got some chatter on that far side, too.
Yeah, I don't know if the defensive back, didn't see real good, but don't know if he had his hand on him or not. Apparently not. So third down. Like the Saints, they get down in the red zone and kind of
sizzle.
They're going quads right.
Third down. Price. Quick screen. Deontay Cooper makes a cut and taken down. I don't think he got any yardage. Maybe got to the 3. It's going to bring up fourth down, and now Coach Leonard has a decision to make.
Stop by number 5, Enrique Garrett.
There's no decision to make. They're going for it.
And we're going to get a timeout. 6:50 left to go here in the third quarter. Salmon is driving, but the Franklinton Demons still up 14-0. Fourth down play, they go shotgun. This is not Price, but Cook with the football. Cook trying to get to the corner. Oh, taken down.
No.
Oh, man, what a stop from the Demon defense. Tremendous drive from the Spartans and just took the wind out of their sails. Charmel McGee
on the stop. Good
5'10", 165-pound senior.
It's the first time we saw option tonight, or designed option. It took too long.
It went to the short side of the field, too. So with 6:43 left to go in the third quarter, and a drive like that hurts.
Wow. Nice drive. Put together some positive plays and then get down there and not get it in. That hurts. Good defense. You know, tip of the hat to the Demon defense for standing up there.
Ball at the 5-yard line. Robinson from under center. Handoff to Wilson. Christmas trying to take him down, and eventually does.
Just straight ahead football right there. They got in an offset eye and ran right at him.
Aaron Craig also in on the tackle. Still walking. Second down and 8.
Second down, 1 Demons.
Well, ball's at the 15-yard line. Handoff. Wilson. Nice play by Trayvon Watts.
So basically the Spartans took the second half kickoff. Was that the second half kickoff?
Yes.
6-minute drive to come away with nothing. That hurts.
Roller coaster ride there in the second half. The Spartans out the gate.
Third down, 2 Demons.
Third down and 2.
They're in a situation where they need either a victory here or a victory over EJ, which is not going to be their 6-0, and then finish out with victories to have a chance to make the playoffs.
Robinson off the right side. Trayvon Watts chasing, and Robinson's going to get the first down past the 20-yard line to the 22.
Demons much sharper offensively.
Well, the speed of Robinson is really what's getting me. He had a couple plays in that first half on quarterback draws, or he's running out there very quickly. First and 10. Wilson moves to the right. Man in motion, and they hand it off. Still on his feet is Fortenberry. The junior out past the 30-yard line. I think he got the first down on the far side.
Again, the Demons mixing it up offensively, staying within themselves and finding the right call. There's something we didn't see in the first half. I don't think they handed off to the speed guy, if I remember correctly. They faked it to him a couple of times. So, pickup of 9.
Second down from the shotgun. Robinson, handoff to Wilson. Makes one cut.
Wilson with the carry.
We got a flag on the play.
Flag on the play. Stop by number 64, Matthew Butler.
Butler in on the stop, along with LaFrance.
Referee's talking it over here.
Yeah.
Make sure they get it right.
Yeah, 4:53 left to go here in the third quarter. Yeah, we got a dead ball foul against Franklinton, so 15-yard penalty. Back him up inside their 20 and bring up second down. Excuse me, first down.
Personal foul.
Oh, they're going to say he got the first down because it's a dead ball penalty. Then move back 15.
Back. Right.
Okay.
First and 10, Demons on the 19-yard line.
So they went back, but they got a first down.
But they got the first.
Right. A new set of downs for the Demons.
Plus the clock's churning, which Coach Smith loves. Bring a man in motion, and they hand off to McGee. Makes a cut, and eventually taken down from behind by Trayvon Watts. And we got another flag on the play.
Flag on the play.
Second half getting a little sloppy here as far as execution and penalties.
Stop by number 11, Trayvon Watts.
Well, I mean, talk about the mentality of playing one of your arch rivals. You've been around for a long time. We got a face mask penalty against Salmon, so 15 yards. Really a backbreaker for Salmon. But from your coaching career, things always got chippy, huh?
Oh yeah, things can get very chippy, especially if you're behind. If you're the one behind, you know, you're trying to figure out a way to do something, and that at least was something where it wasn't a personal foul for unsportsmanlike, but it was they had a good play, and now you tack on 15 more yards. So the advantage you had back then, they were back at the 19. Now they're at the 48-yard line.
Robinson hands it off to Wilson. Oh, Hilson is right up the gut, down to the 40-yard line. The Demons are really making it look good right now. Christmas slow to get up.
Stop by number 1, Aaron Craig.
Craig in on the stop as well.
First down, Demons. Ball on the 40-yard line.
First down and 10. Robinson, quick pass out to Alonzo.
Alonzo with the reception.
Man, just doing a great job of blocking on those wide receiver screens.
I tell you, they've got that down.
Stop by Joey McLeod.
The Spartans have no answer for that. Pickup of 9, second down and 1. I tell you what, I think we've said second down and 1 a passel of times so far.
Yeah, that's a good observation. 3 minutes left to go here in the third quarter. Wilson to Robinson's right. Play action. Being chased is Robinson. Throws it across his body and incomplete. Looking for Zende McGee. Being chased by Giovanni LaFrance. Third down and 1.
LaFrance was breathing down on him, but Robinson won that one, sprinting it out and getting rid of the ball. Third down, 1.
Make a couple substitutions. You better hurry up. Ashon Cook. Full house. Robinson. Hand off to Wilson.
I think he's got it.
Tackle there by number 42, Teron Rayford.
It's going to be a first down.
First down and 10. Shall we mention that this drive started at the 5-yard line?
I'm almost afraid to at this point. It's now at the 29-yard line.
First down and 10. Robinson. High snap. Looking for the sideline. Wow. Caught by McGee on the far sideline. Takes the hit from Aaron Craig, but holds on, and it's going to be a first down inside the 10-yard line down to the 5. Our angle right now is just very poor from the press box. It's hard to see, but But the ref had a great view of it.
Here's the deal. Vernell Taylor was running almost step for step with him, but did not adjust when he put his hands up. He almost looked like he was going to turn around and look on his left shoulder when he should have been looking to his right. Pretty throw and catch there by Robinson and McGee.
Wow, who has the football? McGee has it, and it's in for a touchdown. A lot of confusion up here in the press box. Nice play from the Franklinton Demons, and they put up their 3rd touchdown of the night. This time, Ozende McGee.
Number 82, Alvaro Ocampo, to attempt the extra point.
Extra point, Ocampo. They get it down.
It's not good.
Yeah, incomplete. Franklinton Demons still lead 20-0 over the Salmon Spartans. 2:19 left to go here in the 3rd quarter.
Returning for the Spartans.
Ensuing kickoff from Ocampo.
He doesn't kick it deep. That's all I know. What do you say?
Nope. Well,
not too deep. Let's put it that way.
pretty nice kick. Bobbled. Deontay Cooper breaks through 1 tackle, trying to get to the sideline. Josh McGee gets stiff-armed and makes it out to the 36. That's Deontay Cooper running about 50 yards for 20.
Chased out of bounds by number 9, Martavius James.
Ocampo has not kicked it deep all night. So in the battle of the special teams, Franklinton has come out on top so far.
First down and 10. Price out there again for the Spartans after they get some offensive efficiency last time. Oh, nice catch right there. Tip ball to himself.
Jatari Hudson on the reception. They went back to that little play fake and kind of a waggle pass and hit the Hudson in the flat, and he gets 6 solid yards. 2nd down, 4.
Price. They go back to the slant to Joe Pack. That's the best play of the night for Salmon.
They've run it twice.
But
if you remember, that was the play that North Shore picked off. It got the pick 6 off of earlier in the season, so you got to be careful.
Pack comes up a little bit shaky. First down and 10, though. Looks like he got his bell rung a little bit. Yeah, Pack's going to check out the ball game.
First and 10 Spartans, only 30.
Jesse Harris checks in for him. Price with Cook to his right. Under 1:30 to play here in the 3rd quarter. Price. Oh, and he had McLeod. Joey McLeod Jr. is running up the seam.
Had him open, just a little short on the throw. McLeod, he needed to loop it. You're right. He needed to loop the ball, give him a chance to run it underneath it. He didn't, and there was some confusion in the backfield. The back that went in motion then didn't block anybody. Didn't know where they were going.
Joe Pack is back in the ball game. 2nd down and 10. They put Samir in there at fullback. Maybe they'll go back to the toss play. There it is. Cook. Samir blocking. Oh, nice play. Good cut by Cook. Get some good yardage. About 7. Maybe 8.
Real nice run there by Cook as he strung it out and then cut back underneath Samir's block. And he's real close to a first down on 3rd and 1. Offense seems to be a little better. I mean, it is a lot better than the first half. Although I will say it's missing Chris Thomas, and he was what kind of directed them in the first half.
Yeah, 3rd down and 1. It's been the short distances, though, that have troubled the Spartans here in this game. Price.
Blitz coming from up the middle. All out blitz, really.
Oh, Price rolls out.
Run it. Oh,
and he throws it off to McLeod Jr. McLeod still on his feet, inside the 10-yard line. Touchdown, Salmon.
Right. Wow. Now that was a good play call right there.
They've struggled in short yardage situations all night, and that time he wanted Price to run it. He flips it right over the top, and McLeod takes it the rest of the way.
Yeah, good choice by him. Wow, just when you think they're down and out, the Spartans have crawled back to within 2 scores.
Trying to tack on the extra point for the Salmon Spartans. We do not have a 35 on our roster. Snap, placement.
Too long.
Pissarro trying to throw for a 2-point conversion, and it's going to be intercepted. So and we got a flag on the back end of this play.
Too many people downfield. It's going to be.
Let's check in with the flag. A lot of flags here in the second half. Sloppy.
Sloppy play. Very sloppy. And then it's, you know, that shouldn't be happening game 7, week 7.
Dead ball, personal foul on the Franklinton Demons.
On the kickoff. They're going to mark it on the kickoff.
And we'll go right to it. 20-6, the Demons over the Spartans. 4 seconds left here in the 3rd quarter. Here's the kickoff for the Salmon Spartans. Nice kick, and it's going to go into the end zone.
It's a touchback.
For a touchback.
Kickoff goes into the end zone for a touchback. 1st and 10 Demons on the 20-yard line.
1st and 10. Ron Robinson, the 5'8", 170-pound senior, trying to put this game out of reach. This will be our last play of the 3rd quarter before we go to the 4th, barring a penalty. Salmon Spartan Stadium trying to egg on the defense. In motion is McGee. Robinson takes this one, tackled by McLeod Jr., and that'll be how this 3rd quarter will end. 20-6, the Franklinton Demons over the Salmon Spartans. Let's go to the 4th.
St. Tammany Parish Public Schools, an A-rated school district. Graduates with the highest ACT scores in the state. Facilities with the latest technology. Safe and secure schools. A variety of sports. Fine arts. And learning to last a lifetime.
I'm Superintendent Trey Foles, and this is where we educate every child, every day.
It'll be 2 minutes.
First play here, the 4th quarter. Robinson and Wilson has really been dynamite tonight at the running back position. This time it's Robinson rolling out, throwing across his body. Oh, ball's tipped. Nice play by the defensive backfield from Salmon.
Intended for Donovan Alonzo.
I think that's Ashon Cook that got a hand on the ball. Bring up a 3rd down.
The
15 seconds left in the play clock.
We don't know the clock. The clock has stopped functioning. They're keeping the time on the field. at this point.
Rolling out, Robinson. They throw the out route to McGee, caught with McLeod Jr. on the tackle, but not before McGee gets the first down and some extra change.
They, again, went back to an old play they used in the first quarter. Basically, let's talk a little bit about the third quarter. The Spartans had the ball twice, and technically Franklinton did, albeit the last 4 seconds. So 2 possessions to 1. Franklinton scored 7-6 in that quarter scoring, but Salmon drove down to basically the 1-yard line and did not punch it in. Big step up by the Demon defense. Otherwise, they'd be within 1 score right now. There's still 2, but the problem is the Spartan defense is back out on the field, and the Demon offense is on the field. More problematic.
First down at 10. Wilson off the handoff.
Nice
Wilson,
run.
Great run, taken down.
Just kind of weaving straight ahead, seeing a little daylight to the right, scooting out there, and boom. Pickup of 7.
Ronald Barnes in the tackle. We got the game clock back after some discrepancy.
Gain of 7 on the play. Second down, 3 Demons.
Looking to the sideline, waiting for the play call.
On the 45-yard line.
And almost 15 seconds ran off before they even started the play clock. Second down and 3. Robinson rolling out to his left. Wants to throw. Now is going to tuck it and run. Ron Robinson crosses midfield, gets to the 47-yard line, and taken down by Trayvon Watts.
What a great run right there. All receivers covered. He tucks it and then darts back to his right and picks up the first down. That's the danger of the Demon offense. Ron Robinson.
First down and 10. And we haven't seen that a whole lot on the rollout tonight, but that time Robinson tucked it and got the first down. Under 10:30 to play here in the fourth quarter. Handoff, Wilson. Churning and taken back. Leading the tackle is Ashawn Cook.
And number 9, Giovanni LaFrance.
Second down from the 45-yard line. Second down and 7.
5-2-6-0-7-0. 5-2-6-0-7-0. Please come to the press box windows to collect your winnings.
And there is Ron Robinson.
Man.
First down and more. Craig finally takes him down, but man, he is lethal.
Faking that speed, which they've had success with the few times they've run it, and then just darting straight ahead. Yeah. Don't have to hand it to anybody. Just use that quickness, that burst right up the middle. Boom.
Got to tell you this, Tiger. Tremendous stat. 42 carries on the night for Franklinton, only 1 for negative yards.
Yeah, as I was mentioning earlier, they've had that's the guys up front. That's McGee, Lewis, Burkhalter, Regas, Boyd.
Wilson off the right side. All sorts of room.
Wilson with the carry.
That could be a first down as well. Inside the 20-yard line.
Number 7, George Christmas Giles.
They're really just physically dominating them right now.
That's it.
And it's interesting because you noted, big defensive stop, big goal line stand by the Demons at the beginning of the second half. But Salmon's been moving the ball pretty well on offense. But this time, Franklinton comes out and they just show why they're the better team tonight.
Right. First half, they dominated the first half, obviously. And they've come back with that same resilience and just pound it straight ahead.
Fortenberry in motion. Hand off to Wilson. And Wilson's just too much right now.
There's nothing fancy about what they're doing. This is straight ahead football.
Bringing up a 2nd down and 2. 8-yard gain there for Wilson. Salmon players look tired, and just from their body language also look a little dejected. You used that word earlier tonight. Robinson, under 8 to play here in the 4th quarter. 10 seconds on the play clock, letting it wind down. There's the snap. Robinson off the left side, tries to cut it back in. Nice play by the Spartan defense.
I think that's going to bring up a 1st and goal.
1st and goal, you're right.
Again, Coach Shane Smith mixing up his play calling.
Balanced attack tonight.
Balanced. Throwing, running, and not just hitting the same spots. Left tackle, right tackle, outside left, outside right. Quarterback keeps.
The whole 9 yards. Robinson rolling out to his left. Design quarterback run. Oh, he's too quick. Ron Robinson is just too quick tonight. Touchdown, Franklinton Demons.
And once again, the winning split the pod numbers 5-2-6-0-7-0.
Ocampo for the extra point, which might be the biggest chink in the armor for Franklinton.
Yeah, coming in, he's a 75%er. High snap, got it down though. Ocampo, good.
27-6, Franklinton all over Salmon with 7:10 left to go here in the 4th quarter. Getting a great camera angle from Kevin Mumphrey. And here's the kickoff. This time he does kick it deep. Joe Pack retreating inside his own 5-yard line. He's thinking about it a lot. And taken down.
Yeah, I think he spent way too much time thinking about what he was going to do instead of just run straight ahead.
McGee makes the stop. Bring up 1st down and 10 for Ivan Price.
That was kind of like,
Salmon.
let's see, where am I going to run this? Where am I going to run this? You got to run it straight ahead, my friend. Take it in, run it straight ahead. And make your cut on the move.
From the left hash mark. Price rolling out, looking downfield. Now he's going to run it. Makes one spin and taken down. Raleek Wilson with Kosei on the stop.
His helmet came off, so he's going to have to come off the field.
Price comes off. Pissarro is in. Well, from when we saw them play North Shore, they've developed more of a passing game as Salmon, but still struggling to block well.
Great observation right there. A little bit of a passing game. Of course, their running game was Chris Thomas. Cook has shown some spark, though, I must say.
Pissarro wants to throw it. He had Cook out the backfield, and nobody was even on him. He went down the field.
On a double post.
Yeah, looking for Jesse Harris.
Flag on the play.
Yeah, if he'd have turned and flipped it out here to his left, but there's a penalty on the play.
But you got to think even the mentality. You've been out the entire second half, and you come in.
Illegal
man downfield.
Illegal man downfield.
Against the Spartans.
Penalty and a loss of down. So Spartans shooting themselves in the foot.
Second down and 9. Price this time rolling out. And nice pass right there, but right through the hands of Cooper.
You got to make those catches right there, right through his hands. It's kind of been the story of the Spartans offense, kind of sputtering.
Bring up a long third down for Ivan Price. Price, they go to Joe Pack. Pack breaks out of the tackle, is going to get the first down, and out past the 25-yard line, almost to the 30.
That was a just great play by Pack. Get his hand down, balance himself, spin out of it.
I mean, Joe Pack has Josh McGee on him. And Josh McGee is one of the more athletic players for the Demons.
Draped on him at that point.
And that's what they were trying to do on the goal line, but the pass was not there that first possession of the second half. Price, man in his face, throws it up, looking for Pack. And it's almost picked off. Almost picked off by Martavius James.
And the problem there is we're dropping back and we're going to throw the ball, but we threw it to the inside versus throw it to the outside. You want, if anything, him to catch the ball at the boundary.
29-yard line.
Pack has 6 catches for 78 yards.
Second down and 10. Price, try to throw the screen pass.
And 2 guys sitting on that one.
Man, good discipline right there.
To number 6, Sean Cook.
Trevor Davis in on the tackle.
Good play by Davis right there. They just sat there with him and made the stop.
Third down.
No gain. Third down.
5 minutes left to go in this game. 27-6, Franklinton smothering Salmon. Quick toss out to Cooper. I think it's a lateral.
Incomplete. I think
no. It's a lateral.
Wow. Yeah, okay.
Bring up fourth down.
What a hustle by Deontay Cooper. He came out of nowhere to get over there to get on that ball.
Well, it went through Cooper's hands, and then he was able to recover it. Fourth down. And they're going to go for it.
That's got to be, well, he just marked it in. Is the clock running?
Clock is running.
Okay, so it was a lateral. Fourth down.
Three seconds left on the play clock. They do get it off. Price rolling out, being chased, drops back, throws it across the middle, caught by Cooper.
Wow!
Just enough for the first down.
Unbelievable. Deontay Cooper picks up a first down. Look, I don't know how. He was trapped short of it, but the thing is, he didn't give up.
Nice connection there from Price to Cooper. First down past the 40-yard line to the 41. Clock's now under 4 minutes to play. Price dropping back over the middle. Oh, and it's going to be picked off. What a play. Man, what an interception from Clarence Brumfield. Tipping it to himself.
That came off the hands of Robert Hayes. A little high for him, but it looked like Price tried to drill it in there. And he was a little high with that throw.
First and 10 Demons, ball on the 45-yard line.
kind of sums up the night for the Spartans, you know.
It does.
Well,
a lot of that besides their kind of misfiring, a lot of them misfiring could be attributed to a good defense, great defensive effort by the Demons. I mean, they came in a hostile environment, and they have played where they need to play, how they need to play to get the victory.
Wilson, a cut, taken down by George Christmas. Who would you say is deserving of a game ball?
That guy right there. Well, Ron Robinson. Let's start there. Ron Robinson. He has directed
Gain of 7 on the play.
Second down, 3. The Demons.
Ball on the 48-yard line.
Put the ball where it needed to be most of the time. Wilson himself is that who? Who's? Oh, Renez Wilson. Yes. There's 2. But you know what? I always got to go back to my old favorites, the offensive and defensive line. They've been pretty active, you know.
Wilson. Nice spin. Past the first down.
I'd give game balls to Clyde Oler, the offensive line coach, and Randall Ginn, the defensive line coach over there.
First and 10, ball on the 42-yard line.
I'd say that's a pretty fair assessment.
Because the game has been won in the trenches tonight for the Demons.
First and 10 from the 42-yard line. Four seconds left in the play clock. 2 seconds, and now we're going to get a timeout. 2:07 left to go here in the fourth quarter. 27-6, Franklinton over Salmon. First and 10 coming out of the timeout. Robinson. That duo of Robinson and Wilson has been too much tonight. Fortenberry in motion. Robinson. The draw play. Gets great yardage out to the 35-yard line before he's taken down. What do you think about the old Franklinton Demons moving forward?
They'll be 6-1 coming out of this one. They've got a big game looming with the East Jefferson Warriors, who are 6-0 going into tonight's contest. They are a juggernaut. They haven't. Here's the key. They haven't been in the playoffs in 23 years. East Jefferson used to be one of the big-time public schools in the New Orleans area, and it's been a while since they've. But they've got everything
Wilson, the ball carrier,
clicking down there. So that's going to be to me probably the district championship.
Bring up third down. Minute left in the game.
Third down, 1 Demons.
They're going to milk the clock. You're going to run maybe one play and pick up a first down, and that'll be it.
Robinson hands off to Wilson. First down and more from Wilson.
Wilson with the carry.
A fitting way to end this game tonight. Wilson on the carry for the first down. Tremendous play by the Franklinton Demons. They make the road trip, and they come out with the victory. Salmon comes up short tonight. We hope Chris Thomas is okay moving forward. The clock runs, and that's how this game is going to end. Franklinton is going to get the victory 27-6 over the Salmon Spartans. And we'd like to send our thank yous out to the people that brought you this game, starting with our superintendent, Mr. Trey Folse, our director of broadcasting, Dr. Melody Swang, on sideline camera tonight, Rhett Sharp, the Golden Boy, on main camera, Kevin Mumphrey, alongside me, Charles Tiger Edwards. I'm Andrew Franzella. Good night. God bless. You be good. You are now leaving the Prep Zone.